The best film I did see is Transformers: The Art of Destruction, was starring by the characters Optimus Prime and the Autobots. I love movies of action for share with my friends in a moment special. I go to the cinema room with frequency. I love to eat corn, popcorn, and soda. The last movie I saw was Kung Fu Panda 3. Also, I think that young kids should watch movies children with the movies of horror are very bloody but in special are of